Good morning, guys. I'm back with another podcast session, this time with Utkarsh Bhardwaj, a Deloitte employee, a KIT alumnus, and of course, a very lively member of alumni scene. So we'll have him here, we'll talk to him, we'll ask him questions, we'll make him laugh, we'll ask him to make us laugh, and let's see what he has got for us. Hi, Utkarsh. How's life, man?
Hey, sir, how are you? I'm doing well, and life seems to be a bit hectic, but yeah, we tend to find something to cheer us up.
What was the latest thing to cheer you up?
Okay, so I recently got myself an iPhone, okay,
Sure.
and that cheered me up a bit.
Deloitte people flaunting their salaries, nothing else. क्या करें भाई?
It's
And that's primarily the reason why Kit is crazy about Deloitte and very, legitimately as well.
see,
So
we don't get we don't get as much as an Amazon employee or a Flipkart employee maybe, but yeah, we do well, okay enough. Yeah.
still, I don't understand, like, why would so many Kittians get an opportunity to join Deloitte? Again, you know how many people have been shortlisted? It goes to four digits.
4 digits, yeah. This has been the scenario for the last 3, 4 years, I think, because KIIT is the place for Deloitte to recruit nowadays. Okay, and so the demand of new, the demand of new skills and the way people are taught nowadays are very much in demand. Okay, Industry 4.0 is happening. People are skilled in ML, AI, and a lot of new trending technologies which every company wants to leverage. Okay, and what better place than KIIT to get such people?
Feel like singing a song, Aja, Aja, Aja. I mean, all the time. Like, एक बार दो बार क्यों साल भर आते रहो, keep taking people. But
I, yeah.
what will you how will you check like whom to take, like what are the rounds that do you think they are going to conduct?
So generally, they have been doing these 2 rounds. One being the jam. Okay, I'm talking about the consulting part. Okay, because I belong to the consulting part. So one being the jam, or in a naive term, extempore. Okay, and the other being a mix of technical and HR/behavioral interview. Okay,
Okay, interview.
so yeah, yeah. So that is going to be the primary structure for this process as well. That is what I think. Okay, probably they might add a new elimination round, but the structure is some are going to be the same.
New elimination round. The moment my
Yeah.
kids hear elimination, certain red flags go up and alarm bells start ringing and emergency lights start blinking. Elimination is a reality. How to avoid it?
It's like avoiding death. Okay, you cannot avoid death, but you can delay it, right? You
Yeah.
can delay it by keeping yourself strong, keeping yourself immune, something like that, right? So to avoid elimination, it's a pretty straightforward process. You just have to get through whatever they want you to be. Okay, be whatever they want you to be, and you'll be through. That's it.
Okay, I'm a guy from ANC, analytical and cognitive choice that I have made while filling up the form. Now, what do you want from me as a candidate? What do you want to see in me?
See, first I want to take a few minutes to tell you about what analytics and cognitive is
Please,
and what digital is. Okay. So
love to
these
hear.
are basically portfolios. Okay. Portfolios might be an internal information, but yeah, these are some portfolios. Okay. So digital means digital technologies, analytics and cognitive is pretty simple tools or projects related to analytics. Okay. Maybe using R, Hadoop. Okay. Technology is different, SQL, no SQL. Okay. Playing with the data. Okay. So once you have that term with you, analytics and cognitive and digital, okay, you can have what do we call it? High level information of what you're going to do. Okay.
Yeah.
So the best part about Deloitte is they are not going to seek like very knowledgeable person who knows a lot about analytics, okay, or who is very high on digital technologies, but you should have a knack of learning. Okay, they'll see whether you are trainable, okay, employable, okay, and whether you can live up to the standard of Deloitte.
Learnability.
Learnability is the right term, yeah.
So basically, it doesn't matter whether ANC or digital,
Yeah,
but
it doesn't matter.
whichever way
See,
you go,
I
it
know
is
a lot of people.
technology. Whichever you go, it
Yeah.
is hard work. Whichever way you go, it
Yes.
is scaling up. Whichever way you
Yes.
go, you have to fight it out because the market is pretty tight. uh,
Yeah,
am I
definitely,
right?
definitely. So I'll tell you a few things. Okay, these are some internal things, but I'll tell you. Okay, there's no hard and fast rule that an analytics and cognitive person will always work in an analytics project.
Okay.
Okay, if there's a requirement, you can move to a different project, a development project. Okay, or maybe you can be shifted to digital as well. Okay,
True.
so they have this interconnection. Okay, people tend to move from one portfolio to another portfolio. Okay,
Hmm.
so there's this interconnectivity between all the portfolios. So yeah, so you have to be very flexible. Okay,
Yeah.
this is very very important point that every aspirant has to look into. Okay, or every aspirant has to practice in their life. You need to be very flexible. Okay, you need to be an answer seeker as well as a solution getter. Okay,
Answer seeker, solution getter. Okay.
yes.
What kind of people do you see in KIIT, and you see that, okay, this is Deloitte material, like this person has a future in Deloitte? Where would that person be found? In front of Atmaram, in KSAC, in maybe in MBA food court or MBA lawn? कहाँ पे घूमने फिरने वाले बंदे को तुमको लगता है
So
कि ये Deloitte
I'll tell you
जाएगा?
something. I'll tell you something about my batch. Okay. So there were a lot of people whom everybody thought that this guy or this girl is a Deloitte material.
अच्छा.
They used to talk a lot. Okay, they used to talk a lot. They used to be there everywhere, like in the KSAC or be the presentation ceremony or whatever it be. But they did not
Auditoriums.
make it to Deloitte. Yeah, auditorium. They did not make it to Deloitte. And I know a few people who never stepped out of their rooms, but still are sitting in Deloitte and doing really well. Okay. So commenting on that would be an understatement. Okay.
So
But
introverts
yeah,
are there in
everybody
Deloitte.
definitely, definitely. Introverts are
Nerds
definitely
are
there in
there.
Deloitte. Okay. Nerds are there. We have a lot of social people. The people in KSAC or the people doing Nukkad Nataks, they're also there. Right. But yeah, we cannot, again, we cannot draw a line that this is the person who is a Deloitte fit or who isn't a Deloitte fit. Okay. You can be anything. You can be an introvert, extrovert, loudmouth. Okay. Anything. You can be a part of Deloitte until and unless you fit the criteria and you clear the elimination rounds.
You remove a very big doubt from my mind about this thing, like where to actually, figure out Deloitte material or not. Earlier I also had many wrong notions, but every year when I used to see the selection list, one or the other misgivings used to get removed. Back in
Definitely.
early part of this decade, I used to think Deloitte means you select the best looking people, the most smartly dressed
they
ones.
wouldn't they wouldn't have taken me.
Come on, you look smart when you are in your mood and your
I have
presentation.
grown a full beard nowadays.
Yeah, that's okay. I look smart with my beard. Beard does not affect your smartness. No, it's about looking smart. So I thought that no, really, model material means Deloitte material. Then one year, Deloitte took so many ladkhadus and really heavy people, like gone. Are ye to possible ही नहीं. Another year they took a huge number of boys. Then my concept that Deloitte used to hire more girls, that was gone. Every year some or the other stereotype that I had about Deloitte hiring got removed. Right now, I believe that Deloitte is looking forward to diversity in terms of gender,
Definitely,
in terms
yes.
of capability, in terms of anything that you call out. It has a microcosm of India in its offices.
Yes, yes, for sure.
So, Utkarsh,
Yeah.
tell me about this notion that is rife among the people in this area. They think that if you are not good at technology and if you're good at communication skills, talking to people, that means they have a future in Deloitte. Is that so?
Okay. So generally, consulting, when they hear this word consulting, they means talking to the clients directly. Do you really think a person who has no experience can talk to the clients directly and provide them solutions? Is this possible? I don't think so. But yeah, so consulting is basically, for anyone who's watching this, consulting here means technology consulting and not management consulting, right? So by technology consulting means we are going to provide solutions by the usage of technology. So for that, you need to know technology. That is the whole, what do we call it? Saransh. Okay, in the brief is what I want to call it.
Okay.
You have to know the basics of technology. Okay, not very high funda. Okay, but the basics of technology is a must.
So
Yeah.
yeah, Utkarsh, you have given a lot of information about what consulting really is and what you really do there. But what technology do you want to be in the future employees? Like you said, some technology. Define some.
Okay. So generally people here work in a lot of technology, be it a niche technology. So by niche, I mean something that is very obsolete. Okay. So we have a lot of projects on mainframe. Okay. People nowadays not work on mainframe, but it is still there. It's called niche because it is in demand, but not a lot of people know it. Okay. We work on niche technologies, we work on the current technologies, be it all the development stacks. Okay. We work on diversified tools. Okay. SAP has their own tool, Oracle has their own tools. Okay. We use all these technologies. Okay. And they are not very coding heavy, right? Generally they are built by someone, and we just need to know how to use it. It's more like when you go to a supply chain industry. Okay, you should know how to just turn on the system, turn off the system, and whenever there's a problem, you should know how to debug it. That's it. Okay, you should not be very technologically heavy, but at the same time, you should know how to use it. Okay, so that is what I wanted to mean by the use of technology.
Okay, let's move to the interview part. Now,
Right.
this is a very known fact that Deloitte does its interview on the basis of CV. What thing
True.
should I not be worried about, and what things should I be cautious about?
So generally people, what they do is they tend to make their CV look very flashy. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, remove that flashiness. Okay. Remove that you are a volunteer at this Kritarth. Okay. Volunteer at Kit Fest. Okay. I don't think that is going to help a lot. Okay. Because
Yeah,
yeah, that
there
is a
is
good
nothing
quality.
left. If I remove that, there is nothing left in my CV. My CV is like three-fourths of the page, and that is
It
not a
doesn't
formal
matter, sir.
dress.
It does not matter. It doesn't matter.
What?
See, if you can,
I shouldn't
yeah,
have
it
a
doesn't
two-page
matter.
CV.
Yes.
I shouldn't have a two-page CV.
No, no, definitely not. A one-page CV is very good. Okay, very good to go. Okay, just a one-page CV is enough. Write the subjects that you're interested in, your core subjects. Okay, write a programming language that you are interested in. Okay, write about your intrapersonal skills. Okay, what skills do you think? Don't write you're honest, you're hardworking. These are very generic. Okay, people
Yeah,
can talk
I am
about
a
it.
civil
People
mechanical
can.
electrical person. I don't have any programming knowledge. I don't even like programming. There is a certain
Huh.
genetic buildup inside me that fights, like the red blood cells and white blood cells fight the the viruses. I fight programming. I hate programming. Can I get into digital
See,
and ANC?
you want to make a career in IT technology
Yes, I want to
consulting,
make it, but I
and
don't want programming.
that is definitely not going to help.
क्या है?
Definitely not going to
कोई
help.
तो रास्ता
It
बताओ
will
यार.
not
Deloitte
see.
चाहिए मेरे को, please.
Sir, I'll tell you, 60% of my colleagues or seniors are not from CSIT background.
अच्छा,
Yes,
60%.
they are 60%. They are either from electronics, electrical, mechanical. I don't know a lot of civil people. Please don't get offended. But yeah, they are
You
not
don't know
from
doesn't mean
CSIT
the
background.
industry doesn't. Deloitte must have many civil people.
Yeah, so that is what so they studied something, but then they moved to IT because they wanted to, or they had some reason to move to. They adapted to it. Okay, they showed the company that they are employable. Okay, they are skillable. Okay, so they moved to it, they showed their metal, and they are still working for the company, and they have
Okay.
moved to the ranks of senior manager, director, and even more.
Is there no way that I can be anti-IT and still a Deloitte employee? Asking second time because I want that offer letter to show to my family, but I don't want to deal with any technology. Though I am doing a BTech.
Okay, so if you had a good day, okay, and if the person wasn't interested in asking a lot of IT questions, okay, then you might get through. But in most of the cases, it's very difficult.
If I get through, if I reach there, like by dancing, because I was the dance club coordinator for KSAC, and then
Yeah,
I danced
yeah,
my way into my offer letter. Do I have to deal with technology after reaching there?
definitely. Definitely. There's no way you can go away from it. Probably you will be doing, if you again have a good luck, okay, you will probably be moved to a functional side, maybe a tester or a quality assurance guy. but that also requires a lot of technology knowledge.
So this means the message is loud and clear for the core sector people
Very
that
loud.
though you have been, qualified the written test, you need to love technology or ready to learn technology, the IT area technology. You have to learn the IT technologies, and then you'll have to build a career in those. Is it so?
Definitely. You can't love it. If you don't want to love it, that's fine. But if you want to survive, you'll have to be adaptable. That's it.
Okay. If not love, survive. Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, some of your friends who might have there, what did they do right in their interviews that they got into Deloitte?
Okay. Uh-huh. So I have had a lot of conversations. I have had a lot of discussions with my friends regarding how their interviews went.
Hmm.
Okay. So they were like, a few people were like very excited that they did not ask me any technical questions. They were very interested in my resume and they were talking about my hobbies. Okay. So yeah, coming to the hobbies part, if you have a lot of good hobbies that you can showcase. So I have a friend who is a very good singer. Okay. And now he has been always singing in all the Deloitte sponsored events. So yeah, that's a plus point. Okay. And yeah, probably a dancer can also get an opportunity. So if you have a good skill, a good hobby, okay, and you have done something really well in that, you can definitely showcase that. You have been a state level dancer, state level singer, state level chess player, and Deloitte also favors a lot of sports people. Yeah, we
Okay.
have a lot of Deloitte inter Deloitte events, intra company events, okay, in which they push a lot of sports person as well. So if you have a good hobby, a good habit in playing any kind of sports, okay, so you have a good chance. So yeah, that is one thing. Okay, so Deloitte generally look at your versatility, okay, how versatile you are, not only bookworm, okay, or just a sports person. If you have something to showcase about in all the fields.
So this ANC thing and this digital thing isn't too different from the consulting, advisory, and auditing things that have taken place earlier. The
Not
rounds are
very
going to be
different.
similar.
Yeah.
The skills being
Yes.
tested are going to be similar, and
Yes.
performance will be similarly evaluated and rewarded.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay. If that is the
Definitely.
case, then give me 5 points. Give the kids the 5 points that they should remember while entering any round, jam, GD, or interview.
Okay. First point, dress well. Okay. You have to be looking your best. Okay. Dress well. Okay. And try to get a blazer. If you don't have it, okay. Try to get a tie and make sure you have a polished shoe. Okay. That creates a lot of a great impression. Okay.
Virtual everything. जूता कहाँ दिखाएंगे भाई? निकाल के दिखाएंगे कैमरा.
Oh,
ये
so
लो,
sorry.
ये देखो मेरा चमकता हुआ जूता.
Oh, sir, I forgot. I forgot. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was
No problem.
thinking about my time,
Your times
and
have
I came up
changed.
with that advice. Okay, but still, try to wear a tie and try to wear a blazer.
या
Okay, yeah,
उसके
that
साथ
that will
चाहे
work. Okay.
3/4 पहन लो, बरमूडा लगा लो.
3/4 पहन लो नीचे मौजा डाल
जामिया.
दो ठंड लग रहा है. That won't mind. Yeah. So try to look good. Okay. Try to have a good background, a good setting. Okay. And number two, be very confident. Okay. Sometimes they'll ask you a tricky question, maybe a tricky question in sense, a guesstimate probably, a guesstimate or what do we call it? A question that creates a lot of dilemma in your mind. Okay. They might ask you, you have to be very confident, and at no point, once you have given an answer, try to completely flip it to like 180 degrees. Okay. Don't try to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Try to
Consistency.
stick to your answer. Yeah, consistency is very important. Try to stick to your answer. Okay. You can mold your answer a bit, but don't try to flip it over.
Okay,
Okay.
that's
Number
two.
two. Yeah. Number three is be very thorough with your resume. Very, very thorough. Don't add anything that is not very scalable, that is not very important, and that you are not very much aware of.
Okay.
Okay. You might add it, okay, because it is looking very flashy, it looks very cool, it's in the trending place right now. But just imagine if they try to drag you into it, you won't be able to survive.
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure you have 100% or maybe more than that in that area, whatever you have mentioned.
Fine.
Yeah,
Three
number
points
three.
done.
Number four, okay, try to be very honest and try to be very polite.
Hmm.
Very polite and honest. Keep smiling, okay, keep smiling. Not a very wide smile like that of Arjun Kapoor. He looks pretty shitty in that. try to try to smile, okay, try to be very polite and honest, okay, honest with your answers, okay. They might try to grill you and they might try to get the, what do we call it, devilish side out of you, but try to stick to your good fairy tale side, okay, fairy side, and that would survive, okay, and that would help you survive.
All right.
Try to be honest and try to be
Honest and
modest, yeah,
humble.
whatever. Yeah, honest and humble.
What is
Yes,
the last thing?
and the most important thing is try to know something about Deloitte. Okay, so they have added this analytics and cognitive thing and digital thing just for you guys to research on it. Okay, try to talk to a lot of people. Okay, try to look about it in LinkedIn. Okay, search about it in Google. Try to know what things we are into. Okay,
Okay.
generally people like it when you know what you're going to do, okay, when you're going to talk to the person, when you're going to talk to the company leaders, they would be very very happy that you have done your research and you are very very interested into getting a Deloitte. That is going to give them a very good impression, and I think that is going to severely impact or severely increase your chances of getting selected.
Nice. Sounds good to me. So these are the
Yeah,
5 tips, and we will definitely pass it on to the kids. And let's see how
definitely, sir.
many escape the elimination rounds and the selection rounds and reach you. Over
Fingers
to you.
crossed, fingers crossed.
All right,
Yes, sir.
Utkarsh, thanks for being on the show, and I hope we'll do multiple other shows in future because you have not only been a Deloitte Select, you also have been a very successful employee there by winning a number of awards there for completing the courses and certifications. You also have been this year's alum ambassador for Deloitte towards KIIT. You are a super achiever. You are a smart and sincere person. I think I should have included all this in the very beginning, and I think I'll do that again. But all of this is there in your profile, and I hope a number of these qualities can be uh, repeated by your juniors. Thank you for coming on the show, Utkarsh.
Definitely, definitely, sir. Thank you so much.